So a very good afternoon to you all. My name is Gaurav and welcome to BISP Solution. This is ARCS series session 16 or might be 17. So our today's topic is to discuss the transaction matching, which is PO, which is AP to PO, which is account payables to processing order. So we have discussed in our previous session that how we do the match type for AP to PO, but we haven't completed it yet. So we'll be finishing it today. Then we have purge and delete. So this thing also we're doing today because it's a short topic of 10 to 15 minutes. So that's why I have collected this topic in the same session. Okay, so let me go to my instance first. So till here we have done, we have given the adjustment type, okay, which is the other adjustment, and in other we have the name as round off. Okay, so here we will be giving, so I have completed the match process, which is the property I have done with this stage. Our second stage is to give the match rules. So you already know there is one match rule, which is the manual match rule. Okay, so in this the inverse amount of AP and the total amount of our PO will be match exactly. Look here, the okay, just a second, there might be some error because here is showing as PO and here is same showing as PO. Here it should be shown as AP. So let me check if there's something error with this rule. Go back and check it. Okay, so my source system is not coming. Let me check if someone has deleted it. Okay, it's there, my data source system is there, but it not coming in my match process. So let's see. Okay, okay, fine, save this and go to the match rule and check. Now it is fine. Okay, look here, so the name I given as PO by mistaken, so fine, now it's AP. Okay, because I'm quickly doing that process, so that's why I have by mistaken given the name as AP. Okay, so there is one rule which is the exact match of amount. So other rules we will be giving, so click on add, and this is my rule 1, exact match, confirm. Okay, so save this and start giving the conditions for my attributes. So first we have the rule which is the invoice amount of AP and the total amount of PO will be matching exactly. Okay, so then we have is our date, our vendor ID will be matching with vendor ID, exact match. Save this. Then we have inverse date will be matching with date, again save this. Okay, so let's check what else we have here in our data file. Okay, so we have given the vendor ID will be exactly matching with our vendor ID, like this, vendor ID with vendor ID, inverse date with date, and in our invoice amount with total amount. Okay, then we have what is the common thing here, unit cost is not there, reference number is also not there in our source system, and quantity is also not there in our source system. Line category is there. Let's see here, line. So line category is under the name of line disk. Fine, so my line disk will be matching with line category. So just go here and click on add, which is my line disk will be matching with my line category like this, and save it. And this. Okay, let's go and check what next we have. 1 2 3. Okay, invoice number is there. Let's see in our subsystem. Unit cost is not there, reference is not there. Fine. This have been matched with vendor ID. Then we have match date with inverse date here, I think so. Where is my date? Yeah, invoice date here. This is fine. Invoice number is there in our source system. Let's check. So it's not here, so leave it. Then we have line amount will be matching with our unit cost. Okay, so just quickly go to the application and add one more rule, which is my line amount will be matching with my unit cost. Let's check if we have given the right. Okay, so here we have is the line amount. Okay, line amount will be matching with our line amount. Fine. Then what else we have? Line category. I think we have given the line category will be matching with line disk. Line amount is fine. Line number there is no need of line. Okay, fine. So that's 1 2 3 4 5 rules we have given, which is exact match. So save this and close it. Okay, so till here we have done day before yesterday. So for today I will be giving a new rule, which is the rules of tolerance. Okay, so we will be giving this rule for amount and date. So delete it and just go to this one only. Click on add. This is my rule 2. Match with certain tolerance. It's under suggested. Okay, my match status will be in suggested. I'm not making it as confirmed because there is a tolerance in my data file. Okay, so first we have is the amount. Close first from here there. My date, where is my date here? Invoice date and my date. Okay, this will be matching with tolerance. Okay, so here I will be giving the limit, start and the end. So how could I give? Look here. Let me open my Excel file. Okay, this is our source system and this is our subsystem. So in our source system we have April 6 here, but in our subsystem we have April 8. Okay, so difference is here of 2 days. So 2 days here and 10 here and 11 here, so that means 1 day here, total 3 days. After date 1 day also here. This is 12 April and this is 13 April, so 1 day here. So 2 1 1 4. So we'll be giving -5 2 plus 5. Okay, it's 4, but still I give 1 day extra. Okay, and then save this. Okay, this is how we give tolerance. We have to check how many days or how much the amount of difference is there in our ERP file. Okay, this is our data file. We have to check here so that we can give the tolerance. So look here in line amount and in unit cost here, there is no difference. The digits are same, which is 250, 200 and 500 and 450, like this. So there is no need of giving tolerance for unit cost. We will be giving tolerance for our total, which is in our PO, which is this whole system, and the invoice amount here, which is in our source system. So quickly just see the difference. For the first, we have the 50 difference here. Here is 950 and here is 1000, so the difference is 50. Then we have 400 and 400, here it's fine. Then 2400, 2500, so 100 here. So how much it is? 150, the total. 150 from here and 100 from here. Then next we have is the last transaction, which is 900 and 800. So 100 from here, 200 and 250, fine. So we'll be giving the difference of the tolerance is 300. Okay, it's 250, but still I'm giving 50 above. So majorly we do not give this much of tolerance, but it's the example I can tell you to give, because client do not ask you to give the tolerance amount which is more than 10, 50, like this. It's in the 0.9, 0.5, like this. This is our tolerance. So go to your inverse amount and my total here, and we'll be matching with tolerance, and my amount is 300, and here again 300. Okay, fine. Okay, so it already exists. Let's see. Okay, it's showing that the adjustment for inverse amount and total, it's already exist. So we'll be making the adjustment over here, which is so why, if it's here, then why we not able to make changes in that? Okay, we have to give the amount of tolerance from here. Customize limit. This is the manual rule which is already existing. So give us to 300, sorry, 300, and again 300, like this, and save it, then close it. Okay, so we have updated the rule, which is the manual match rule. Okay, so there we have given the limit, which is 300, which is the tolerance amount. Fine, close this. Okay, let me, one more thing we have to do. Just go to here, okay, fine. So we have given the rules here. One more thing is remaining. Why Actually here comes a tab when we give the tolerance. Suppose this is our tolerance one, so whenever we save this, there another here one more tab will appear. Okay, here. So I don't know why it's not appearing here, so let's see if this work, because I'm sure that one more tab here will appear when we save this tolerance. Okay, so for now just close this and change the status to approved, and let's see if we are able to upload our data file and match the totals amount. Okay, so first just close this. So ID we have is our reconciliation ID here is 233 APTM. Fine. So next step is to go to format, which is under configuration, and there we will create the format for this reconciliation. Okay, so the name is not the format. Every time I just go to configuration, I start giving the format in my alerts. So go to the format card over here, and here you have to give the details for the format. So our name is AP, which is accounts payable, to PO, which is purchasing order. Then method is our transaction matching only method, this one. Attributes we won't be giving, and then save and close. Fine. Go to your profile and start creating the profile. 230 233 APTM. Okay, TM name is AP to PO, transaction matching. Before giving this entire thing, just go to your format and first select the format, because when you select the format, some of the thing automatically disappear. Okay, so look here, when I select the format, some of the columns here which are in pending just vanished. Okay, so select the process, which is our balance sheet. Risk is my medium. Account type will be my account receivable, because this is the case of payables and purchasing order. Short-term accounts payable. Okay, AP, sorry, this is the case of accounts payable. Then we have the amount is in the credit. Our instruction, there is no need of giving the instruction. Preparer, so we will be assigning one preparer, who is our Alex. So Alex will be my preparer, so assign him. Then we have currency, functional is fine, and save and close it. So we have created the profile. Just search for the profile so that we can make sure that our validity is fine. It's the profile which we have created is valid. Okay, so it's in the valid form. Our next step is to go to our job, and from job we will be loading our data for TM. Action, import data. Match type is accounts payable to purchasing order. We will not be running the auto match rule. Select the file quickly. First close all of them. And start selecting the source system and the subsystem. So first wave is our source system, which is accounts payable, and then we have our subsystem, which is purchasing order. So it's here. Fine, and submit it. Look here, it is in the pending status right now. The result is in pending. So refresh it one more 3 to 4 times till the result shows completed. Okay, so it's completed right now. Our next step is to go to the matching, and under matching we will be search for our ID, which is 230 semicolon 3 accounts payable transaction matching. This is our profile. Click enter and it will appear here. So look here, there are 4 unmatched transactions. Okay, so I hope there are total 4 transactions in our AP and PO. So let's see. Okay, there are 4 transactions, and same here it is showing that these 4 transactions are unmatched because we haven't run any rule right now. So when I run my auto match rule, look here how the digit changes from 4 to 0 or might be 1. So refresh it one more time. Let's see if it shows any suggested match. We have to go to suggested match, and there we have to match the. Okay, so 1 is the suggested match and 3 are the unmatched. Okay, so we'll be going to our suggested match and we'll be approving this 400 as confirm. So this 400 will be exactly matching with our 400 of subsystem. Then we have 3 unmatched transaction over here. Okay, let's see, go and see for the adjustment one. It's not showing. I think the rule haven't worked. Okay, so the rule is not performing, that's why it is not showing any unmatched. Okay, so there are 3 unmatched transactions and 1 matched transaction, which is the suggested match one. Okay, so once again just go to your match type and check for the rule. Is there any changes we have to make in our rule? So go to your match type. This one is our match type and status will be pending. As I shown you in our match process, the rule, there is one tab is missing. So I hope, let's see if it's work this time. Go to your match process, under match process go to your match rules, and there we'll be giving the first delete all the previous rules like this, delete all of them. Okay, and match exactly, save this. So I once again going with the entire process again. I will be giving the rule exactly, because when I save this tolerance rule, there is one more tab here which is in the side of rule condition. It will appear here, so it is not coming. Let me see once again if it's come when I save the rule. So click on add. First we have is our date, inverse date will be matching with date. Save this. The process will be same, but I still want to perform it because I want to see what is the wrong with the match type, because it's never goes like that. Okay, so vendor ID will be matching with vendor ID. Save this. Okay, next we have is the line amount will be matching with our unit cost. Okay, my line amount will be matching with my unit cost, exact match. Then next we have is our line disk will be matching with line category, like this. Okay, let's go and check for the common things. Vendor we have given, inverse is already there, inverse date will match with, okay, this is we have given, line amount also we have given, and this fine. Then line type will be matching with my type, this we have to give. So one more rule will be giving, which is my line type matching with my type here. Okay, this is the exactly match. Save this and close it. So our next rule is the tolerance one rule. This is R2 and will be matching the transaction with certain tolerance. So start giving the conditions here in rule condition. First save the rule type, match with tolerance. Our tolerance will be custom 300, fine. Save this, and one more tolerance will be being for date. So we have to add one more condition over here in rule condition. This is for my invoice date. So we have given how many days? 5 days tolerance. -5 to +5 and save it. Look here, this what I'm talking. Okay, the adjustment details, right now it is available, so we have to go here and save it. Okay, save this. The adjustment goes to our round off, which is our transaction type, and the source of adjustment is our AP and PO. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. Previously it is not appearing here, right now it is visible. So save this and save it. Close it. Approve this and save it again. I hope it worked this time. Okay, so the format will be same, but we have to create the profile again one more time. First delete the profile which we have created. You have created the profile, you have to delete it, this one. So delete the profile, and we'll be creating a new profile for our matching. Close it, click on add. 230 is my account company, and 3 accounts payable transaction matching is my account. Okay, and my name is, for my profile the name is accounts payable to purchasing order. Okay, and method is tm. First step is to select the format like this and click ok. Okay, so give the risk rating. Account type is my payables. Go in liability. Under liability, account payable is there. Select it. Then we have the normal balance is our credit balance. Process is my balance sheet. Then go to your workflow. Search for the user to whom you will be assigning the preparer work. Then we have the currency, which is functional, and my default currency is USD, like this. Save and close it. Okay, so the profile is valid. Our next work is to load our file once again. Go to your job and under transaction matching, just click on import. This is my match type. Okay, select the file for AP, which is our source system, and select the file for PO, which is our subsystem, like this, and submit the task. After submitting it, wait for the result. When it shows completed, our next step is to go to our matching. So it's showing completed. Now go to the matching card, which is our okay this here is the matching card. Go under matching and once again search for the profile, which is 230 semicolon 3 AP. Okay, this one is our profile, and run the auto match rule. I hope the rule works this time. Refresh it again and again. Okay, look here, it goes to 0. Why it goes to 0? Because we have matched all the transaction with certain tolerance. Okay, so there will be no transaction which is to be matched here. Look here, there is no unmatched transaction over here. And when we go to our match transaction, this is the suggested page. Look here, 0 unmatched transaction. Okay, this is how we give the tolerance rule. The confirm match, 1-to-1 matching with certain tolerance, we have matched all the transaction. Okay, so this is how we do AP to PO transaction matching with tolerance, exact match with tolerance. Okay, so we have done the transaction matching of AP to PO. Our next topic is purge and delete. So for purging your transaction, you have to go to your job only. So just quickly go to the job. Where is it? Job card is here, and under job go to your transaction matching, which is here. Okay, so when you go to your transaction matching, when you see here action button, which is the here showing here, and there is option of drill down. So when you drill it down, there is a icon comes here, which is purge transaction. So look here, this is the edge. Okay, after 180 days, this transaction will be completely deleted. Okay, first you have to select your match type. ID equals this one. Okay, this right now we have created, so I will be purging this only. So submit it, continue with purge. Okay, so look here, the result is in pending. You have to give the match type, you have to give the ID to purge the transaction. Okay, so after purging it, it will go to your archive. Refresh it. Completed. Look, match type is my AP to PO. Started date is 15 September. Started by Dennis. Then okay, then our next step is to go to archive. This one. Okay, just let me show you from here. Okay, in application, go in application cluster, go to archive card, which is here, and there you will be finding all the purged transactions which have been purged. Period. Okay, so and suppose there are one reconciliation for August 24 here. So when you click on this three dot, you will be seeing two options. Three options are there, but purge, it's already done purge, so it is gray out. You won't be able to purge it again. First we have is the archive. If you want to archive this reconciliation from the system, you can archive it, and if you want to restore it again to your matching, okay, to your reconciliation, to your matching type like this, so you can restore it. Okay, so if you want to archive, you can archive it from here like this. And for August it is 1, and when it is done, the August month 2024 goes to 0. Okay, let's see. It will take few seconds. Okay, so job is completed, status is success. And when I go for August, refresh it, why haven't goes to 0? There might be some error. So when you archive it, the reconciliation over here goes to 0. Okay, so there might be any error with the archive card over here. So if you want to restore, click on restore, and available archive here, this is my August 24, and you can restore it like this. Same process. Okay, so it's in running, and when it completed, it shows this status as success. So this is the story behind purge and delete. Okay, so first you have to purge it from your job. After purging it, go to your archive, and there you can make our archive, restore, and purge. If the transaction haven't purged before, you can purge it from here. And here is the option of selecting the period. Suppose you want December 24 like this, you can select it, and particular period if you want, you can take it from here like this. Okay, so this is all about today's session. So we have discussed, first we have completed the pending, which is our transaction matching with the, which is accounts payable to purchasing order, and also we have done is purge and delete. So purge and delete is just a short topic, so it's a 5 to 10 minutes topic. There's no big hectic about purge and delete. The important thing is the transaction matching, which is AP, accounts payable to purchasing order. So that's all for today. If any doubt comes, let me know in the comment section, and I will be connecting you in the another session, and I'll be taking, if the doubt is there, I'll be taking that doubt in the upcoming sessions. So that's all for today. Thank you. Okay, one more thing I have to do here is to highlight the topic which we have completed. So we have completed this topic, highlighted first, and today's date is our 15th. So we have discussed this on 14th Sep and 15th, 2 days like this, and save it.